Okay, let's learn how to put those negative numbers in order. So we're going to go smallest to largest. Say someone chucks you a random bunch of numbers. Some are positive, some are negative. You've got to get them, find the smallest one, find the largest one, order everything in between. Let's practice that. It helps for this if you're just learning to have a number line, so let's go have a look at one.
Okay, here we are with a piece of paper and we're going to put a number line onto it to help us out with these ordering negative numbers. So for a number line, start with the line, and then let's put some numbers on it. That's all we need. So we know that 0 isn't at the start of the number line anymore. We're going to put 0 somewhere near the middle because there's numbers either side of 0. So here's 0, and then going up the way, we've got 1, 2, 3. I think you know what comes next. 3.5. No, 4. And 5, we'll stop there. Okay, fantastic. Now, on this side of the number line, we've got -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. So you can see 3 is kind of 3 spaces away from 0. -3, also 3 spaces away from 0, just in the negative direction. So here's our number line. It's going to help us put some numbers in order. So let's just get some random numbers. Okay, here we are with 6 random numbers that just came out of my brain there. So let's try and find the smallest of these random numbers. We've got -4, 2, 5, 0, -1, and -2.5. There's no reason you can't have negative decimals or fractions either. So we're looking for the smallest of these numbers. Now the weird thing that happens with negative numbers is that -5 is actually smaller than -1 because it's further into the negatives, whereas normally 5 is bigger than 1. Okay, so the higher the negative number, the smaller the actual value of that number. Okay, so what have we got here? -1, -2.5, we're going to start off with -4. So -4 is our smallest number. Then, what will be the next one? It could be -1, it could be -2.5. Normally 2.5 is bigger than 1, but we're dealing with negatives, so -2.5 is further into the negatives than -1. So -2.5 is our next number. Then -1. Then 0, right there. Then what have we got left? 5 and 2, so 2, and then 5. And now we have them in order. So the main thing to remember is that if you have negative numbers, the larger the number part of it, the further into the negatives they are and the smaller the overall value. So for example, -104 is much, much smaller than -2. Okay, this is way far into the negative. This is only a little bit into the negative. So, I mean, the smallest negative number, what do you think that is? Well, like the positive number line, that just does not stop. It keeps going down into negative infinity all the way down there. So I don't really think there can be a smallest negative number. The smallest positive number is 1. Or is it 0? Ooh.
Way! So now we can put our negative numbers in order. Remember to keep practicing that, and that is all of the level 2 outcomes for negative numbers.